Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget RAM for Ryzen in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Crucial Ballistix 3200 MHz DDR4 DRAM. Crucial is one of the most trusted and popular brands out there that is famous for selling all sorts of high-quality RAM DIMMs for both PCs and laptops. Speaking of the Crucial Ballistix 3200 MHz DDR4 DRAM, it's ideal for all kinds of gaming desktop options as it is designed to offer the best performance with both AMD and Intel motherboards. Apart from that, you will be glad to know that this DRAM offers a max speed of 3200 MHz and also comes with the support for XMP 2.0 that allows you to overclock it to increase its performance further. In addition, the quality of the RAM is absolutely solid, and even the heat spreader of this RAM comes in a variety of color options that you can pick as per your preferences. The overall capacity of the RAM is 16 GB as Crucial offers you 2x 8 GB DDR4 RAM sticks in this package. Pros. Comes in a variety of colors. Supports both Intel and AMD motherboards. Has XMP 2.0 support. Cons. Does not feature RGB lighting. Number 2. Our second best pick is TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB kit. Next up on our list, we have a RAM option from TEAMGROUP, which is yet another popular brand to choose RAM for your upcoming PC build, especially if you have a limited budget. For all the budget-oriented people out there, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB kit is one of the best options to pick. Although the speed of this RAM is only 3000 MHz, it is still one of the best RAM options you can pick as it comes for very reasonable pricing. In this RAM kit, you will receive 2 DDR4 RAM DIMMs of 8 GB each, which is great as you will be able to install them in a dual-channel manner. Apart from that, the RAM comes with a simple design, yet the outer casing looks pretty aesthetic and even provides optimal cooling to the RAM stick as well. In addition, the RAM also comes with a high thermal conductive adhesive that keeps the RAM stick cool all the time. The best part about this T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB kit is that it supports XMP 2.0 and works with all AMD and Intel motherboards as well. Number 3. Our third best pick is Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32GB DDR4. In case your wish is to make a powerful PC build using the top-end Ryzen components, the RAM options offered by Corsair will work the best for your upcoming PC build. Speaking of high-end RAM options, Corsair Vengeance is one of the best RAMs that you can choose to install in your gaming rig. In this Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM kit, you get 2 DDR4 RAM DIMMs of 16 GB each, which is quite amazing for dual-channel installation. Apart from that, the best part about these RAM DIMMs is that each of the RAM sticks delivers max speed up to 3600 MHz, which will make your PC run smoother and faster than ever before. On the other hand, each of the RAM sticks comes with its own addressable RGB lighting module that can be easily programmed or controlled using Corsair's ICUE software. Moreover, these RAM modules even support overclocking and are compatible with all AMD and Intel configurations. Thus, these RAM DIMMs are super easy to install and use, no matter what type of PC you have. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Patriot Viper Steel DDR4. Coming up next, we have an interesting RAM option on our list which is offered by Patriot, one of the most renowned and popular brands that sell high-quality RAM and other PC components. Looking at this RAM option, it's ideal for those people who want a fast and reliable RAM option for their Ryzen build at a reasonable price. Talking about the specifications, the Patriot Viper Steel RAM is based on DDR4 architecture and offers a massive fast speed of 4400 MHz, which is way more as compared to other options present on this list. On top of that, the total capacity of RAM you get is 16 GB as this package comes with 2 8 GB DDR4 RAM DIMMs for dual-channel installation. Metallic cover over the RAM allows for better heat management and ensures these RAM modules always perform their best in all situations. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is G.Skill Trident Z Neo Series 32GB 2x16GB. You can ask any PC builder out there, G.Skill RAM options are typically one of the best that every PC owner wants to install in their own rig, simply because of their high performance and reliability. Although the G.Skill Trident Z Neo Series RAM is the best one out there, it is not meant for everyone because of its unpleasant pricing. Yes, despite its pleasing features, it's priced way too high as compared to other RAM options out there. The Trident Z Neo Series RAM from G.Skill comes with a total capacity of 32GB DDR4 memory, as you get a total of 2x16GB RAM sticks in this package, where each RAM module offers 3600 MHz working frequency. In addition, one of the most interesting facts about the G.Skill Trident Z Neo Series RAM is its RGB lighting, which makes it truly stand out from the crowd. Apart from a fast 3600 MHz frequency, each of the Trident Z Neo Series RAMs supports CAS latency CL16. Hence, you can simply assume that the level of performance offered by these RAM modules is absolutely top-notch and unbeatable. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.